Rosacea is a very common skin condition in which we see persistent redness and visible blood vessels and sometimes small acne-like eruptions on our face. If you have seen that you have persistent redness on your cheeks, nose and forehead, you might be dealing with rosacea. Now, you don't have to worry because there are various methods by which we can manage and deal with the impact. Rosacea typically appears on the central part of our face. The most common symptoms is persistent redness or flushing, which can be triggered by factors like hot weather, hot water when we use it on our face to wash, spicy food, alcohol, or even stress. In some cases, it can lead to visible blood vessels or even pustules which can resemble acne. While rosacea can be challenging to manage, the good news is that with the right approach, we can reduce redness, calm the inflammation, and improve the appearance of your skin. Rosacea is primarily an inflammatory condition, and while its exact cause is still unclear, it's believed to involve an overactive immune response. Factors like genetics, environmental triggers, and even change in temperature can make the condition worse. Fortunately, rosacea is treatable, and we have a variety of treatments to help manage the flare-ups and reduce the symptoms. Treatment options for rosacea include topical medications such as metronidazole or azelaic acid that help reduce inflammation and redness. These are applied directly on the affected areas and are typically used as the first line of treatment. Intense pulse light therapy is a highly effective light treatment. Intense pulse light treatment works by delivering controlled light to the skin, which helps in shrinking dilated blood vessels and hence calms down our skin and reduces redness. Third, oral antibiotics. Oral antibiotics are used in rosacea when rosacea is accompanied with deep cystic acne-like bumps. Antibiotics help in reducing inflammation and also they kill bacteria. The key to managing rosacea is to understand your triggers and working with us to create a treatment plan that addresses your unique symptoms. We'll tailor a plan specifically for you, combining these treatments to achieve the best results. With the right care and consistent treatment, rosacea can be effectively managed and the appearance of redness and visible blood vessels can be significantly reduced, leaving you with smoother, more even-toned skin. Rosacea doesn't have to control your life. With the right treatment, you can manage flare-ups, improve your skin appearance, and gain back your confidence. Book a consultation today and let's start your journey to a clearer, calmer skin. We are here to help you manage your rosacea and restore balance to your skin.